Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to talk all about the upcoming live workout program. But while we are doing that, I'm actually going to make a little bit of a recipe because in this program, we are going to add a little bit of a nutrition component to it. As you know, nutrition is vital for being able to see results with our body, our rest, our recovery, our building muscle, our leaning out, whatever our goal is, nutrition comes first. So I want to kind of add in, so we will be doing the live workouts, and we're going to talk about that very soon here. But what I want to talk about throughout the program is I'm going to come on and do not necessarily lives, but they will be recorded long format videos talking about some sort of nutrition piece, the importance of protein, tips and tricks to get your nutrition in, your macros in, and we'll talk all about that during the 4 weeks of our upcoming program, which we're going to talk about very soon. But while we're doing that, like I said, we're going to jump into a recipe. Now it's kind of funny because I took out everything to make some muffins for the kids, and I realized that I have actually packed my muffin tin. So bear with me. We're going to jump into its 3 ingredient exercise. Oh my gosh, I've got exercise on the brain. We're going to talk about that soon. But it's a no-bake almond butter bars. My kids love these. I shouldn't say kids. My toddler loves these. Obviously, we're not giving these to the boys yet. So what we're going to do, no baking, it's going to go in the fridge, but 3 ingredients. So we'll kind of jump in. I will explain stuff in a sec here. So we're going to do oat flour. So I'll put this up on the screen. You can take a screenshot of it if you want to try these. Seriously, Maddie loves these. We love them. I'm trying to get away from buying kind of like processed stuff with chemicals and stuff. So I try to make more stuff at home, and I'm probably going to be doing that more throughout the program too. So if there's any recipes or anything like that, I can kind of jump in and do that. Sorry, I'm like trying to do this and concentrate at the same time. So first up, it is oat flour. You could try another flour, I'm sure. We're going to do 1 cup and 1/3. Once we get this mixing, I'll start explaining stuff. So good enough. I'm really bad at usually eyeballing stuff. So 1 1/3 of oat flour. Then we're going to do, I might need another measuring cup. Maybe not. So it says sugar-free maple syrup. The only sugar-free maple syrup I have is actually sweetened with sucralose, which I just talked about chemicals and stuff. So I would have it myself, but for the kids and stuff, I don't really want to put that in their stuff. So I'm just gonna use maple syrup. Yes, lots of sugar and stuff, but this, in my brain, I feel like this is much better than the packaged stuff that we're gonna buy in the stores that has the chemicals and all, the ingredient list on stuff is crazy these days. So we're gonna do 1/3, I do need 1/2 cup for the almond butter. So 1/3 of maple syrup, just to give it some sweetness. I might do just a little less than 1/3, but 1/3. And then we just need 1/2 cup of creamy almond butter. So I just use the Kirkland brand. I find this is the cheapest and I love it. Maddie loves this. If I put this on her pancake or anything like that, she's always inclined to jump in and eat it. So we'll do 1/2. I don't even know why I use my measuring cup. I'm so usually just kind of eyeball things. But for the sake of this video and this recipe, we are going to measure things. So a little bit more, and then yeah, that should be good. Okay, so 1/2 cup of our almond butter. So I'll have to figure out where my muffin tins are or buy some more and I was gonna make banana blueberry muffins. Maddie really likes them. So anyways, after you get those 3 ingredients, that's all you gotta do is put those 3 ingredients, stir it up. So with the workouts, for the next 4 weeks, we're gonna do the same date and times. The only thing I was thinking about, and you guys can let me know what your thoughts are on this, is the Saturday morning. I was thinking about, it seems kind of dry. So you'll want to kind of really mix it in. Just kind of show you there. So I might add a bit of either water or maple syrup. Yeah, see, I went short on it. So don't go short on it, just do your 1/3 because it's too dry. We'll just do just a little smidge more. So the only thing I was thinking about on the Saturday mornings was switching the 7 a.m. workout to 8 a.m. So comment below, let me know if you think that would maybe work. we don't really do a ton like first thing in the morning anyways. And I find sometimes in the morning, like just with my boys not sleeping, sometimes I find like having that extra little bit and not rushing to get up in the morning. So maybe save the weekends for, I don't know. I'm okay with 7 though. So I don't know, you guys let me know. I will let you guys know before Monday. So this program does start Monday, March 3rd. The live workouts, the replays will be there just as always for you to follow through. But what we are gonna do, which I'm really excited about, sorry, I'm like just really distracted today doing this. I have a hard time multitasking these days. Not multitasking, because I'm actually really good at multitasking, but just focusing is we're gonna do strength. So we're gonna focus on building muscle. We're gonna do how it's gonna look and structure. So I'll do up a calendar though and post it under the community link, the posts on the YouTube channel. Is we're gonna start off with lower, upper, lower. So low body, upper body, low body, and then the next week it's gonna be upper, lower, upper, and then lower, upper. So either you have, so this is pretty good actually. So I'm gonna take some parchment paper and put it on my little tray here. So you're gonna have, each week you're gonna have either, one upper body day and then one lower body, oh my gosh, I can't talk. So you'll have one upper body day and then 2 lower body days. Then the next week you'll have vice versa. So we really have the 30 minutes, so that we're sticking with 30 minutes because that's all we have time for is 30 minutes. We need to hurry up and get the workouts in, get them done. We will push, we'll like kind of burn, so it'll probably be like a chest and shoulder day or like back and buys, something like that. God, I'm gonna have to get my hands dirty. I think this is tough. So I just wanna basically bring it out because these are gonna be bars, okay? We are going to, so basically we're gonna make sure that we're adding volume so that we're really working on building and strengthening those muscle groups. So you might need to have a variety of your dumbbells. We are gonna add some bands in. So if you are a type of person at home, you don't have the heavier weights, bands are a lot cheaper of an option to make sure that you can add that resistance. So like say on a goblet squat, if you don't have heavy dumbbells, what you can do is you can add a band around like just above of your knee. That's gonna add some extra resistance, stuff like that. So we're gonna add the bands in. We're going to focus on just building. So it'll be a 4-week program. We're going to build. And then I'll explain what we're gonna do after that, but I have a whole plan for us to get us through till summer. But the exciting part about this one is that we are adding the nutrition component. I think having that in there and sharing like stuff like this, like I have a major sweet tooth, so something like this is actually really delicious and yummy, and it's all kind of, you know, natural ingredients, something that the kids will like, my husband will like. I just want to focus on us getting kind of healthier, you know? Like you see so many people getting sick nowadays, and this was really tough. I don't remember this being tough before when I did this, but so many people get sick these days, and I'm sure what is in our food is playing a big component of it. I don't know, I could be wrong, but I just want to make sure that we're doing the best that we can, you know, showing up, being the best moms, the best, you know, people that we possibly can, and focusing on living the best, healthiest life. Because when you haven't had a healthy lifestyle and you haven't been consistent with doing workouts and eating healthy, you really don't have any idea of how you truly could feel. And it's so mind-boggling to me. Anyways, okay, this is kind of, I feel like looks like I'm like just manhandling this basically. I swear, my hands were clean when I started. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do for the next 4 weeks. So that starts Monday morning live and just showing up. I'll have probably the babies with me for a good chunk of the workouts because they are going to go through this journey with me. They are going through this journey with me. They're napping right now, so that's why I'm trying to get this done, get everything done. But I actually have really been missing the workouts. I've been taking this week off, kind of brainstorming, trying to figure out the workouts, how the layout of it all, and making sure that it is the best program that we can possibly be doing. And I'm so excited to share this with you. Okay, this is done. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge. So I just flattened it all out. I guess I probably could have used a tool or something to do that instead of using my fingers. But anyways, this is gonna go in the fridge now for an hour. And then this is optional. You can do this if you want. I'm gonna melt some chocolate chips and I'm going to kind of put them on top. Sometimes I just make it like a design and my daughter's like, ooh, it's so fancy. Or you can just put like a full thick layer on there. But that is the recipe that I wanted to show you. So we'll kind of do more nutrition stuff in the next 4 weeks. And if you have any questions or something that you would love for me to cover, please let me know and we will do that. We'll talk about getting our water in. This is I don't know if like I sound kind of nasally and congested because the kids have been constantly sick. This is turmeric pepper. So if you actually want to get the like the benefits of the turmeric, you actually need to have pepper to kind of activate it. And then some stevia lemon with some ice water, so good. You can add ginger and stuff. I just don't have ginger, but I've been sipping on that to kind of help with all the inflammation right now that I'm dealing with. But anyways, that is all that I have for you today. So make sure that you join in on Monday morning, 7 a.m. live, and we're gonna jump in, have a great month together, building some lean muscle mass, building that foundation going into summer. Anyways, see you guys soon. Okay, bye everyone.